I'm ready to create a shadow for this awesome design. I've got several compound paths in here. And just to show you, this is what a shadow might look like. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Easy. So I'm going to take this layer that I have everything on, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to lock everything else up. Oops, I didn't copy it. Did I delete that? No. I'm going to copy it, and for some reason I accidentally dragged it down to the bottom. I'm going to lock everything else up, just like I showed you, and make it all invisible, and then grab the top layer, so only that gets grabbed because everything else is locked, and I'm going to just go ahead and give it all a fill of black, and let's see if this works. Okay, and for some reason, edit undo, and I don't know why, it didn't grab this part. Looks like maybe that's locked or something. Let's just see. Yep. Make sure everything's unlocked in the sublayer too. And let me do that again. And again, give this a fill black. And, okay. Let me just check out this. This is being stubborn. Either something else is locked or something I just don't know. There we go. So I just deleted it. Okay. So once I have all that, I'm going to just try grouping it. And sometimes this works. It depends on how you have everything set up. In my case, it worked really well. So there's my shadow. And now I'm going to go ahead and take this.
Emily Cichello, please report to the attendance office immediately. Emily Cichello to the attendance office, please.
And I'm going to take that layer that has a group on it, keep everything else locked so I don't accidentally move it. And if I accidentally put that in as a group, I'll just show you on this one. So I unlock it and just move it over to the side. You can see there's my shadow moving around behind the letters. So I think that's really great because it takes something that I had, and I just think this just adds really, well, quite frankly, dimension to the design that wasn't there. Once you have that done, you can start really playing around with like maybe creating some background designs and putting stuff in. And I'm just going to show you one way of doing this. Let me call this invisible for a second to show you something really neat. If I go to, so I'm on a new layer when I do this. I am going to go to my brushes, and I'm going to go to, actually I'm going to go to symbols. Check this out. So in symbols, I bring up my symbols, which is around here somewhere. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. Okay, so symbols. So just window symbols, and there it is. And if I click on Open Symbol Library, there's a lot of cool stuff here. Be careful because some of this you probably don't want to use, but let's just go to dot vector pattern, for example. And look at these. This just seems like perfect for this project, actually. I'm going to just click this once. Oops. I have to click on the symbol brush. I'm sorry. So I'm going to click right here and give that a moment. It's rendering. And I mean, like, to me, that's just like the perfect thing to add to this particular design is something that looks like that. That's pretty awesome. And there's all these different ones. So depending on what I click and what it looks like, see what that comes in looking like. Yeah, I mean, I'm liking that a lot, actually. So if I put that in, and then, again, add this back in, add this back in, grab my shadow. Why is my shadow not showing up like that? Like, already, it's just, to me, that just looks so much more interesting than just a shadow and just the background. You know, and all these, I don't even know what these do. Like, look at this. This is a cool one. So play around for sure with those symbols and see what they do for you, because you can get some really cool effects with them. Just be careful, because like some of the symbols are just weird. Like there's one like called sushi, and I mean, for example, and it's I think it's cool for what it is, but maybe for this project, I don't know. Maybe you want a big thing of sushi behind, but like to me that just kind of screams, yeah, I don't know. Awesome.